Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that in the 1908 Olympic Games, the Olympic marathon was lengthened from 40 kilometers to 42 kilometers. We're asked which of the following is closest to the increase in the distance of the marathon at this time in miles. So the distance change in kilometers is 42 minus 40. It's changing 2 kilometers. We need to convert that into miles. We're told that 1 mile is approximately 1.6 kilometers. So if we take this conversion rate, right, and we have 1 mile over 1.6 kilometers, we can multiply that by our distance, 2 kilometers, which we're trying to convert. And when we multiply these, the kilometers unit cancels out. And we're left with 2 times 1 is 2 over 1.6 miles. If you plug this in your calculator, this is going to be exactly 1.25 miles, which lines up with answer B.